Hey guys, here would be another video. I'm getting ready to go metal detecting. Oh, I'm gonna set you guys right here. My dad's DeWalt drill. Oh, you guys are looking right there. Alright. Yes. I'm getting ready to go metal detecting. As you guys know, here, if you guys live in Minnesota, I live in Ramsey County. They just tore down the old fire station. You know, I got some pictures of that. It's all tore up. And there's still a little bit of, ice and whatnot off there. Ground's still frozen, so gotta use this trusty machete. But, blades rounded over. So in my toolbox is a ball bearing drawer toolbox from Husky. So I open that up. Big one. Small one. Actually, no, I'm just gonna leave that open. So yeah. So guys is sitting on my 1951 restoration project. Let's finish this up real quick. Yeah, so that's what this video is going to be about, this old rusty tractor. I call it my 51 restoration project. I'm going to close this garage door. There. So, let me just move a few things out of the way. There we go. So yeah, I'm just gonna move some stuff out of the way here. Come on, tripod, work with me there. And this is my Haro F1. Beautiful BMX bike. Beautiful. And it has been beat up a little bit. My metal detector. Here's this little hunk of junk. My Spider XL drone. I was going to shoot some video footage for you guys. I have a camera for it, goes right there. But I had this blade break off, so me and my dad trying to fix that. It's a pan that screws on like that big. So that proposes an issue. I'm going to set this. I'm just set it over here. Battery foil. Move these out of the way so you guys can get the scope of it. There's no loose cap going forward. Right there. I'm just going to leave the wire on it, scarecrow right there. Gotta be careful, this is my mother's. And take the wires out the steering wheel. Shake them off. Here's what I'm looking for you guys. Step to your plow now. There we go. So yeah, take it off the tripod. After you guys been set on. This would be my garage. That's my younger brother's poster. Both of his. My dad's poster. This. If you guys want me to make a video on that, what's on that sheet? You probably saw it by the little frame on the bar. If you guys want me to make a video on it, let me know, and I'll probably do so. See, Hutch. They don't make those anymore, if some of you older fellas know. But in the 1/16 scale, part 2, and need help video, this is what I was looking for. Shed a light here. Out of focus. It's a 4-cycle. Briggs & Stratton, Milwaukee, Milwaukee WIS, USA, gasoline engine. I don't know what that part is on the bottom. Focus. There's that bottom under the gasoline engine. You guys can tell me what that is. But this right here is shot. Pull it out. Won't go back in. What you gotta do, kind of wind it up your fingers. What I just do is, this thing does not run. It's got sand. We done sand on the motor a while back. I don't know where am I gonna move you. I got a bit of an oil leak there, come from this thing. Haven't got too much on, just really recently discovered it, but it has been there for a while. Back on the tripod you go. Let's see. Neutral. Break off on her. I'll find out. Me and my dad did redo the clutch pedal on this. It was seized. Tell because of the blue paint on it. Oh, hello. So here's what it looks like on it. The shift lever, I gotta adjust the seating because if you go up and all the way over, it doesn't go all the way over. See? See? You're pulling. No power steering. And you got the old-fashioned tractor, two-wheel drive tractors. I don't know if this is a rare feature for this type of tractor. I still have the snowplow mount for it. Complete, I just need to fix it up. You probably know what this is too. Got a lawnmower for this thing. It's under there. Nice little mower. It's kind of broke. I stripped one of the nuts off of it. So. And you go forward there. Is she gonna budge? I don't think so. Give me a minute here. No, what's that? That cover fell out. Yep, cover fell out. What other things you got in here for me? Got a bit of an O-ring for it. Hey. Here, tell me what that is. There's more being in here. And I can tell me what that is. Let's see. Well, there's going to be a part 2 to this. I'll get you back on this, guys. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.